Surprises and new construction do not go together. You never want to say those two words together. My name is Jeanie Shea. I'm a real estate agent in the greater Birmingham area. And I want to share with you a story today that hopefully you can put away in your brain and remember should you decide to build new construction. So I have this lovely family who dreamed of this beautiful new home in this great community, built out this home, picked out all the finishes, the paint colors, you know, it's really exciting. It's a lot of fun. We go to closing, and they get the keys to the house. They start moving in, the movers are coming, unloading everything, and that evening they go to put their vehicles in the garage. Oh my goodness, guess what? Their vehicles did not fit in their brand new garage. What would you do? Cry? I mean, what do you do at that point? I've done this sometimes with buyers, but I've never thought about doing this with new construction. So these folks had large vehicles, but they were SUVs. Everybody drives an SUV now, right? But the challenge is this beautiful, very popular house plan that has this portico. So you drive through this portico, which is this beautiful shady area, and you have two garages behind you. And then this right here is a third garage. It's designed to be for a golf cart or whatever else you want to use it for. But if you have an unusually large vehicle and you come through here and you're trying to line up with these garages and they're a little tight anyway, and then you're backing up and maneuvering, well, their vehicles simply did not fit. Jot this down. This isn't a jot it down with Jeanie, but jot this down anyway. Always test drive garages, whether you're building new construction or whether you're buying a resale home. Now, if you were building a floor plan like this, you wouldn't be able to actually check out the garages prior to picking out this floor plan. But if it's a neighborhood where you see the same floor plan again and again, then by all means, ask the agent there, ask your realtor if you can try to get your vehicle in the garage at an appropriate time. It's just a good check and balance because surprises and new construction do not go together.